Well, good afternoon. Welcome to the afternoon comments from the Ag Market Network. We'll look at the markets in just a minute. I will say that we made significant highs in corn and soybeans today and then reversed. We'll talk about that a little bit more in just a second. Looking at cotton, the cotton market was up all day. It is closing up 56 at 66.08. The November soybeans are closing down 3 3/4 at 10.24 3/4. We saw soybeans make a 7-month high this morning early and then reverse off those levels. December corn is closing down 13 at 438 3/4. It's interesting. We had corn today in December make a 1-year high. Took out last July's highs and then reversed. So it is a key reversal outside day in the corn, with corn closing down 13 on the day at 438 3/4. The wheat had a slow day, but it was down 4.5 at 571 1/4. Looking at the range on the day, we had December cotton had a full range of 83 points from low to high. It made its high this morning at 11:30 at 66.25. It made its low earlier at 7:15 this morning. It made a low of 65.42. November soybeans had a 22.5-cent range from low to high. Last night at 7:45, we saw the high made in soybeans at 10.45. The low was made this morning at 8.45, and that low was 10.22.5. The corn had a full 16-cent range. The high was made about 2:30 in the morning, and that high was 454 1/4. The low was made right here on the close. It lost a couple of cents right in the last 60 seconds, getting down to 438. September wheat had a 13 1/4-cent range from low to high. The high was made about 2:30 in the morning at 582.5, and that was when the high was made. The low was made about 11:30 this morning at 569 1/4. Looking at the financial markets and outside markets, the dollar is down 18 on the day right now. Crude oil is up 50 cents a barrel. Gold and silver both down. Gold down $2 an ounce and silver down 13 cents an ounce. And the Dow Jones right now is up 67 on the day. So interesting days, especially for corn and soybeans. We'll see if the market continues to break down tomorrow. We could be looking at a market that's found a top. We'll just see what happens in the coming days. That's really it for today. Thanks for joining us, and be with us tomorrow morning for our morning update.